Hi, Phil with Diode Dynamics. I'm here with the 2017 Colorado ZR2. Today we'll be upgrading the low beam factory halogen lighting to our SL1 LED headlight bulb for increased visibility and a more modern appearance. Installation's plug and play and should only run you about 15 to 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. Now we're going to start our installation on the passenger side of the truck here. Now when you pop your hood, you're going to notice some black rubber cladding that kind of covers this entire area up. You do not need to remove it. You can simply peel it back. We went ahead and did so to be able to give you a good shot of the bulb itself while I'm working in here. Now once you have access to the bulb, you're simply going to want to rotate the dust cap and pull that guy straight out, which will give you access to the bulb. Then you go ahead and twist the bulb, pull it straight out, and then depress the tab on the back side here to release. Now you'll take your Diode Dynamics SL1 upgrade and connect it directly to that plug. Now before you button everything up, these bulbs are polar sensitive, so you're going to want to test to make sure it fires. If your bulb doesn't light, you'll simply want to disconnect it, rotate this plug 180 degrees, and then plug it back into the socket. Once you have that confirmed, you'll need to feed your driver into the headlight housing. This angle can be a little tricky, but it will fit with absolutely no issues. You just simply got to work it in there gently. And once you have that in, go ahead and insert your Diode Dynamics bulb. Make sure that it sits flush in the housing. Then rotate the lock into place. Once you have that confirmed, return your dust cap to the housing to lock it all back up. Now you will want to take care whenever you're doing this, because you can see that this O-ring will stretch a little bit whenever you're trying to get this installed. Try to work in on one side to get it locked in, and then just kind of push that in and then twist it to lock in place. Repeat the same process on the other side of the truck to complete your installation. With our SL1 LED headlight bulbs installed, you'll have an increased visibility with a much more modern appearance thanks to the cool white color temperature. For more information on these parts, visit us at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.